Residency is a crucial phase in a medical professional's journey. Residency exposes you to a variety of cases, refining your diagnostic and treatment skills. Working closely with colleagues and mentors enhances patient care and fosters a collaborative spirit. Residency teaches empathy, effective communication, and the art of building trust in the doctor-patient relationship. Efficient time management becomes a skill that serves well in both professional and personal life. It provides the guidance and mentorship crucial for honing clinical skills and navigating the complexities of healthcare. The appetite for continuous education becomes the cornerstone for a successful medical career. Residency teaches the importance of self-care and maintaining well-being. Building professional relationships and staying updated on medical advancements are key. Join now. May these lessons guide and inspire you in your continued medical journey.